Michigan Department of Health and Human Services expands COVID-19 testing criteria. Grand Rapids Service Industry Network distributes donated food to local service industry workers in need. DGRI moves their Relax at Rosa series online. And more statements from area organizations brought to you by the Rapidian. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services is expanding COVID-19 testing criteria to include all essential workers who are still reporting to work in person, whether they have symptoms or not, announced on Monday, April 20. The expanded criteria is effective now. Testing of these essential workers will help identify asymptomatic Michiganders who may still be spreading the virus in public. Quote, "This means that anyone with symptoms can get a test, as well as any individual regularly interacting with others outside their household, as long as the testing location has the supplies," said Dr. Jonay Caldoun of the department. Michigan Department of Health and Human Services is also working with local health departments to expand testing in group living facilities with potential exposure. More information about the expanded testing criteria is available on their website at www.michigan.gov/MDHHS. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services also launched a large-scale volunteer contact tracing effort as of Tuesday, April 21st. The effort aims to help determine and limit the spread of COVID-19 in Michigan. Quote, "Contact tracing is a proven public health strategy that involves identifying those affected by COVID-19 and interviewing friends, families, and others near that person about their contacts and symptoms," the MDHHS said. More than 2,200 volunteers have completed the department's contact tracing training and are ready to begin aiding local health departments. This workforce will increase the speed and thoroughness of contact tracing statewide. These volunteers are in addition to more than 130 Michigan Department of Health and Human Services staff who have been assisting local health departments with case investigation over the past couple weeks, and have reached more than 12,000 residents testing positive for COVID-19. To volunteer for the contact tracing effort or other department efforts during the time, visit the COVID-19 volunteers page on the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services website. And to locate a nearby COVID-19 testing site, visit the COVID-19 Test Site Finder page on the State of Michigan's website, which can be found at www.michigan.gov/coronavirus. As Michigan's closure of non-essential businesses continues, a group of Grand Rapids service industry workers have launched the Grand Rapids Service Industry Network to distribute donated food and other supplies to fellow service and entertainment industry workers who are experiencing economic hardship. The GRSIN collects food donations from local restaurants, grocery stores, colleges, and more to distribute throughout the community, using its Facebook page and public Facebook group to communicate with those who may be in need. Quote, "If you find yourself in need, food, sanitary wipes, etc., don't be afraid to ask," the network shared in its Facebook group. "If you have extra to donate, please let us know. We're in this together." End quote. Food pickup presently happens every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. at Flanagan's Irish Pub in downtown Grand Rapids. The GRSIN also delivers within a 5 to 10 mile radius of this location. Pickup or delivery requests are preferred, which can be submitted on the sign-up page on the GRSIN's Facebook page. Quote, "After feeding over 5,000 people, your help is needed to continue service," said Derek Kopp, an organizer for the network. "If you are able to donate or are in need of help, please visit the Grand Rapids Service Industry Network donations page on Facebook." Downtown Grand Rapids Inc.'s annual lunchtime entertainment series, Relax at Rosa, usually held in downtown Grand Rapids, Rosa Park Circle, will begin in virtual form as Relax at Home, announced on Monday, April 20. The change comes in response to the ongoing pandemic. The free lunchtime series will return April 30 and take place through Facebook Live videos on the DGRI Facebook page from 12 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. on April 30th and every following Thursday through September 10 of this year. DGRI will feature a diverse lineup of performers throughout the series, geared for downtown workers. The lineup, available on DGRI's website and Facebook events page, is booked tentatively as DGRI monitors the constantly changing public health situation, DGRI said. The possibility remains that DGRI may transition Relax at Home to an in-person setting at Rosa Parks Circle at a later date, depending on how local, state, and federal public health and safety guidelines evolve over the coming months. You can find DGRI online at www.downtowngr.org. In light of the pandemic's continued impact on families, the Grand Rapids Community Foundation is extending the application deadline for its Youth Grant Committee to May 11, 2020, announced on their Facebook page. The Grand Rapids Community Foundation's Youth Grant Committee aims to engage students from public, private, and homeschool high schools around Greater Grand Rapids in the work of philanthropy. These students are able to gain leadership experience while working as a part of a diverse team to make grant decisions that impact Greater Grand Rapids nonprofit community. During the school year, the Youth Grant Committee members meet and assess youth issues, develop a request for a proposals process to address those needs, follow up with previous grantees, conduct interviews and site visits, and present grant recommendations to the Grand Rapids Community Foundation's Board of Trustees. More information about the Youth Grant Committee and its extended application process is available on the Community Foundation's website, www.grfoundation.org. The Rapidian will continue to report on all major local developments related to the spread of COVID-19 and the community's prevention and response methods. Local residents are encouraged at this time to share their own stories and perspectives related to the COVID-19 situation on the Rapidian's platform, www.therapidian.org. This message was brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. We'll see you soon.